Welcome back. Are you ready? Tonight was the best night ever. Oh my gosh, it was the best night ever. I had no idea. So let's just stop for a second. This morning, I got 3 hours of sleep last night, got up 4 o'clock, got to the airport, flew from Boise to Miami, got here at 4, got to my hotel at 4:30, took a shower, got ready, left the hotel by 5:10, made it to a red carpet event by 5:30. So let's just say that, all right? Also, I had to pack for 14 days. I am on a 14-day world tour, okay? So get ready, all right? But here's what I want to say is that I wasn't going to come to this red carpet event because this is the week I have my children, and I do not travel on the weeks that I have children. A week ago, God said, you have to be at this red carpet event. And I went into prayer, and I was like, okay, I'm going to go. I don't know why, I'm going to go. So this is Rudy Mawer's red carpet event for his Legacy Makers, which I have a Legacy Makers episode. It's not out yet, but I did record one. I have like 25 of my authors on Legacy Makers, which is a TV show that Rudy Mawer has put together. 11 p.m. last night, I get a text from Rudy saying, hey, can we show the trailer of your TV show tomorrow at the red carpet? And I was like, oh my gosh, this is crazy. So I was like, I am so grateful that 5 days ago, God told me to come to Miami. I'm like so grateful. I had no idea what it was going to be like to be in a room of 500 people with my TV show on the big screen, feeling them feel the show, feeling them like I could feel their hearts just crack open. And I'm just like bawling. And I'm like, oh my gosh, I had no idea this was going to be so impactful. And then as the trailer is ending, Trey, who is the MC of the event, comes up to me and he says, would you like to come up on stage? And so I'm like wiping my tears. I walk up on stage and I got to tell them that a year and a half ago, I was on the island, and God said, you will have a TV show, and it will be the path of the prophet, and it will be the story of the leader who goes and sits at the foot of God and hears. And then 4 months later, Rudy offered me this TV show. And I got to speak from that stage about the power of this show, and that there's no scripts and no makeup artists. And we have some of the most extraordinary stories ever. We have a woman whose husband died by suicide, a woman whose son died by fentanyl, like hard stories. And that this is what we're bringing to the world for people who would never pick up a book, but who would watch a show. And to feel it and to know it, and it was everything. It was everything. And so my heart is just so grateful that I got to come to Miami. So grateful for this show that's coming to the world. It was the best day ever. Best day ever.